In this video, we will see how to search, save and use audio and music on Instagram Reel. It's very simple tips and tricks how to search the particular audio, use this audio and put it your own Instagram Reel. It's very simple tips and tricks. Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So now we will go as a mobile screen. So let's start. Simply open Instagram. This is my Instagram account. If you are not following me, please follow me, Research Rock. So here I'm making number of reels here. So I'm save first of all the audio, and then if I have some free time, so I make the Instagram reel. So simply click here in 3 line. In this 3 lines you can see here in the save. So I already save n number of audio. So in upcoming days I'm making those reel as a day by day and some free of time. So suppose for example this is a reel. Now this is a reel I'm playing here.
डार्लिंग अभी मेरा टाइम.
And now here use audio options are available. So I just simply click here. If I am clicking here,
अभी मेरा टाइम चल रहा
so
है.
my
हमारे
Instagram
महाराजा
reel
की गाड़ी नहीं, उनका महल
are generating here. Such kind of process is going on. So now question comes, how to search Instagram reel. If you want search some music, so simply search here in audio, use Zindagi, Amit Trivedi. So simply I save this audio, click here, save audio, and now this audio going to in my profile. Again I click 3 lines, save the option, Love You Zindagi R comes here in Amit Trivedi first. So sometimes you are looking your Instagram ID account, and so you can save this reel like this. So suppose click here in 3 dots and save. So this reel save in your Instagram save option, and you can use this reel and make your Instagram profile very interesting. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.